Hey guys, Carlo here. Welcome to my watch vlog. This is my dedicated channel to anything and everything watches. I'm not a watch expert. This is just me chronicling and sharing my ongoing watch journey and passion for this new hobby of mine. And in today's episode, I am super excited because I have been waiting for this G-Shock to arrive here in the Philippines. I ordered it via one of my plugs, and here it is. This is going to be my unboxing and quick on-wrist review of the new Hodinkee G-Shock. Let's go! Now, before we get to the watch, can I just share that John Mayer has been on my lockdown playlist. In fact, I constantly go back to 3 of his performances on YouTube that I regularly watch. If you guys haven't seen them yet, I will link it down below. The first one is his collaboration performance with Ed Sheeran. Check it out. Fantastic. He was just playing the guitar, but man, he was shredding it like crazy. And some people even felt that he was upstaging Ed Sheeran. But to me, there was harmony between the two powerful artists on stage. The second one is his performance with Alicia Keys. I think in New York, they did Gravity. Man, that was such another crazy performance. And his solo performance in one of the festivals where he did Ain't No Sunshine. That was just jaw-droppingly awesome. Anyway, let's get to the watch. So you guys can see it comes in this special box. You have John Mayer, Hodinkee written at the top. You have elements of the keyboard, which actually inspired this particular G-Shock printed on the top lid of the box. By the way, quick note, it is fun. It is good to know. It is inspiring actually to find out that John Mayer really dug deep for memories with Casio that he could draw from, of his personal relationship with that brand, to inspire this collaboration watch. At least it's just not out of nowhere. Inner box, you have another special black box with the metal plate with John Mayer and Hodinkee. And if you pop the box open, ba-bam, guys, this is it. This is the John Mayer Hodinkee G-Shock. Ba-bam! Now, the model that they pick is the G-Shock Dw6900, one of the most popular G-Shocks. From what I've read, it is the most popular G-Shock in Japan, and it is the 3rd best-selling G-Shock model worldwide. A lot of artists, rappers, musicians, people who are famous actually wear different colors and different models of this particular watch. Specific to the collaboration, this is inspired by the first keyboard or the sampling keyboard of John Mayer, which was called the Casio SK5. And the color of the resin case and the band is actually the same color of the body of the keyboard. Even the colors of the text match the different elements of the keyboard themselves, from the blue G-Shock label here at the top to the sampling text that you would find on the keyboard, to the yellow colors that you would find on Adjust, Split, Reset, to the gold-like yellow buttons that you could find on the keyboard. And even this light gray button over here, which you press to light up the watch, is the same color of the buttons or the knobs that you would find on the keyboard. Again, the story behind that is that keyboard was one of his first, John Mayer's first musical instruments. Again, it's nice that this is inspired from an actual personal memory. Now, just like with most G-Shocks, the Dw6900 is packed with features. You have timekeeping, alarm, timer, stopwatch, and again, backlight if you press the G button over here at the bottom. How does it wear? Before we get to that, by the way, quick wristwatch check of the day. I was supposed to wear a G-Shock because this is a G-Shock video, but I forgot to take off my watch. This is the Seiko 5 Street Fighter collaboration with, themed Guile. So if you haven't seen my video yet on this watch, I'll link it down below. I actually reviewed most of the watches from the Street Fighter 5 Seiko collaboration. So how does it wear? Well, just like with most Dw6900, it gives a very retro classic feel. Very iconic, especially if people who see it are G-Shock fans. Very lightweight, fits well on most wrists. And again, if you are a fan of John Mayer, if you're a fan of his work, this is one of the more affordable watches that you can buy. Because as most of you probably know, John Mayer is a big watch guy, and he has Rolexes that are kind of almost, named after him. Not officially, that green Daytona, which he loves wearing, or the big Pilot IWCs that he's a huge fan of. And those watches are just crazy expensive, and they're super hard to get. They're like hundreds of thousands, if not crazy, tens of thousands of dollars prices. This one is more affordable, but it is incredibly hard to get. This one, I think, retailed for less than 10,000 pesos. I'm not too sure, or over 150 US. But the resale value of this one, if you try to get one in the Philippines, is almost double that price. Around 20,000 pesos for this one. Now, to be honest, I don't think you can ever find this one for retail, or maybe less than retail, unless the person selling it doesn't care. But if you have the opportunity to buy it at a good price, even a slightly above list, I think it's a fantastic buy, especially if you are a fan of John Mayer and you love what the watch stands for, the story behind it. It's just a great piece, in my opinion, especially, again, if you are a fan of the musician. So what do you guys think of the John Mayer Hodinkee G-Shock Dw6900? Let me know in the comment section. Would love to hear from all of you. By the way, before we wrap up the vlog, I just want to share one more G-Shock. I just watched the episode of Producer Michael. He's our YouTuber, talks about luxury mansions and watches, that he unboxed his first G-Shock. And I'm just happy that we actually have one watch. I mean, this is the watch that he has. This is the watch that he unboxed. The Intergalactic Dreams, Rainbow, whatever, Steel G-Shock. I did an unboxing of this. I'll link it down below. So it's just cool to actually have something that he has, because most of the stuff that he has is just totally out of this world, crazy expensive. So yeah, the Producer Michael, as if he watches. But yeah, cheers, bro. Anyway, that wraps up this quick unboxing of the day. I hope you guys enjoyed. As usual, this is Carlo signing out. I hope you all have an amazing weekend up ahead. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.